thank you for choosing Smart Silver. Today I'm thrilled to share with you the latest breakthrough in colloidal silver water production, the Smart Silver Colloidal Silver Generator. This is not just any generator, it's the first computer-controlled consumer generator with innovative programming that takes the guesswork out of creating high-quality colloidal silver water. With its beautiful backlit screen, you can easily monitor all the electronic data, ensuring your generator is producing at the right voltage and amperage. Plus, with 3 easy-to-use timer buttons, 5 hours, 1 hour, and 15 minutes, you can set it and forget it. Once turned on, the Smart Silver generator automatically begins the process of electrolysis, introducing air into the water for circulation. And here's the best part. It alternates polarity of the electrodes every 30 seconds to automatically keep the electrodes clean. With every use, you can count on this generator to produce crystal clear solution every time, giving you the peace of mind you need for all of your silver water needs. So whether you're a seasoned colloidal silver user or just starting out, the Smart Silver is the perfect solution for all of your needs. Get ready to experience the ultimate in colloidal silver production, brought to you by Smart Silver.